Turning off individual nodes helps you experiment freely without breaking your automation, which was a feature missing from the standard builder. With this update, you can now disable any action inside a workflow without deleting it. Let's check how it works. If a disabled node is the only path to downstream steps, the contact will skip the disabled nodes and only execute the active nodes. Disabled nodes are visibly dimmed and skipped during execution. Enabled nodes run normally once reactivated. You might be familiar with this process if you've used the Advanced Builder. To do it, follow these simple steps. Head to the Workflows tab inside the Automation section and edit any regular workflow. In the Standard Builder, hover over any node and click the pause or play icon. Save your changes if editing a published workflow. Previously, stopping a step meant deleting or disconnecting it, risking lost work and broken logic. We hope this update gives you confidence and improves testing, troubleshooting, and iteration.